4d power 4 minus 8d cube minus 7d square plus 11d plus 6 whole into y is equal to 0. So here they have given in the form of differential operator. So we have to start solution with the auxiliary equation. We all know auxiliary equation means replacing d by m. So 4 into m power 4 minus 8m cube minus 7m square plus 11m plus 6 is equal to 0. So to use the synthetic division, we have to start with the trial and error method. So suppose if I put m is equal to minus 1, trial and error method. So 4 into minus 1 whole power 4 minus 8 into minus 1 whole cube minus 7 into minus 1 whole square plus 11 into minus 1 plus 6 is equal to 0. So minus 1 whole power 4 means plus 1. So I write only 4. Here whole cube. So minus 1 whole power 3 means minus 1 minus into minus plus 8. Next minus 7 minus 11 plus 6 is equal to 0. So we get 18 minus 18 is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to 0. So we can write m is equal to minus 1 is a root. Now use the synthetic division. So this is the synthetic division. So first write the coefficient of this term, coefficient. Here I write the root, that is minus 1. So 4 minus 8 minus 7, 11, here 6. Here I write 0. 4 plus 0, 4. 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. Minus 8 minus 4 is minus 12. Again minus 1 into minus 12, that is plus 12. 12 minus 7, 5. Again minus 1 into 5. So minus 5. 11 minus 5, 6. Last one minus 1 into 6 minus 6. Here we get 0. So once we get 0, we have to rewrite the equation in the form. Here we have taken power 4. So here we got 0. So we have to take 1 power lesser than that. That is 4m cube minus 12m square plus 5m plus 6 is equal to 0. So here also we have to use trial and error method. So here if we put m is equal to 2, m is equal to 2. Trial and error method, you have to check with every number. We can start with the minus 1, 1, 2, minus 2 like that. In calculator also you can find out whether for which root we will get the factors. So here 4 into 2 cube minus 12 into 2 square plus 5 into 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. So 8 fours are, that is 8 into 4, that is 32. Here minus, wait a minute, here 4, yes, here we get 48. 12 fours are 48 plus 10 plus 6 is equal to 0. 32, 42. 42 plus 6, 48. So we get 48 minus 48 is equal to 0. That implies 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, m is equal to 2 is a root. M is equal to 2 is a root. Once we get the root, again we have to use the synthetic division. Here I will write the new root, that is 2. So this is the auxiliary equation. Write the coefficient. 4 minus 12, 5, here 6. Here I write 0. So 4 plus 0, 4. 2 into 4, 8. 8 minus 12 means minus 4. 2 minus 4 is minus 8. So 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. Here write 0. So now here we can write 4m square minus 4m minus 3 is equal to 0. Factors minus 12, here minus 4. So when you multiply, you have to get minus 12. When you add or subtract, you should get minus 4. So here I write minus 6, here plus 2. So here 4m square minus 6m plus 2m minus 3 is equal to 0. In these two I will take 2m as a common. So 2m minus 3. In these two 1 I will take as a common. So 2m minus 3 is equal to 0. 2m minus 3 into 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. That implies 2m minus 3 is equal to 0 and 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. So m value is 3 by 2. Here m value is minus 1 by 2. Therefore, the roots are first root is minus 1. Second root is 2. Third root is 3 by 2. Fourth is minus 1 by 2. All this it comes under the case 1. All this it comes under the case 1 because all are different numbers. Thus y is equal to, according to the case 1, c1 e power minus x, c2 e power 2x, c3 e power 3 by 2x plus c4 e power minus 1 by 2x. d cube y dx cube minus 3d square y divided by dx square plus 3 dy by dx minus y is equal to 1. Here they have given in the normal equation. First we have to convert this in the form of differential operator. That is d cube minus 3d square plus 3d minus 1 whole into y is equal to 0, where capital D we can define it as a d by dx. Next, auxiliary equation is replacing d by m. So minus m cube minus 3m square plus 3m minus 1 is equal to 0. Now, it is in the form a minus b whole cube. That is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So here we can write a cube minus b cube minus 3ab plus minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So here if you split m minus 1 whole cube, so we get m cube minus 1 cube minus 3a square means here m square plus 3m. So same thing we have. So for that auxiliary equation, for this auxiliary equation, we can write m minus 1 whole cube is equal to 0. So here m minus 1 is equal to 0, m minus 1 is equal to 0, m minus 1 is equal to 0. M is equal to 1 comma 1 comma 1. Thus the roots are 1 comma 1 comma 1. So this comes under case 2 because it is repeated. All numbers are real and coincident. So therefore y is equal to c1 plus c2x plus c3x square. Here m value is 1, so e power m into x means 1 into x is e power x. Next is d power 4 plus 4d cube minus 5d square minus 36d minus 36 whole into y is equal to 0. So same problem what we have done in the previous one, I mean 13th problem. So here they have given the auxiliary equation. We have to write auxiliary equation is replacing d by m. So m power 4 plus 4m cube minus 5m square minus 36m minus 36 is equal to 0. So if we put m is equal to 1, so we get 1 plus 4 minus 5 minus 36 minus 36. So it is not equal to 0. Let us check for m is equal to 2. So 2 power 4 16 plus 8 fours are 32. 4 5s are 20. Again 72 minus 36. That is also not equal to 0. Next comes m is equal to 3. So 3 power 4 is 81 plus 27 into 4. 4 into 27 minus 5 nines are 45. 36 into 3 minus 36 is equal to 0. So 81 plus 4 sevens are 28. Again here 108 plus 45 minus again here also we get 108 minus 36. So 108 will get cancelled. When you add 45 plus 36 we get 81 minus 81 is equal to 0. 0 is equal to 0. So we got the value for m is equal to 3. Therefore we can write m is equal to 3 is a root. Now write a synthetic division. So here I write 2, 3 here as a root. Then coefficient 1, 4, minus 5, minus 36 here plus 36. First I write 0 here. 1 plus 0, 1. 3 into 1, 3. 4 plus 3, 7. 3 sevens are 21. 21 minus 5 is 16. 3 6 are 48. 48 minus 36 is 12. So here I missed the sign. 3 12s are 36. Minus 36 plus 36 is 0. So now write the equation, that is m cube plus 7m square plus 16m plus 12 is equal to 0. Again, if m is equal to all are plus, all sign are here plus. So we have to check with the negative sign. Suppose minus 1, m is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 plus 7 minus 16 plus 12. So 16 plus 1 is 17, but 12 plus 7 is 19, not equal to 0. If m is equal to minus 2, so minus 8, 4 into 7 is 28. Again minus 32 plus 12. So 32 means here we get, wait a minute, 4 sevens are, yes. Here we get for m is equal to 2. So minus 8 plus minus 32 is minus 40. 28 plus 12 is plus 40. So is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Minus 8. Here minus 32 plus 12. Here 7 4s are 28. Yes. Now, therefore, m is equal to minus 2 is a root. So again use the synthetic division here. Here I write minus 2 as a root. Here 1, 7, 16, 12. So 1 plus 1, 0 is 1. 2 into minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, 5. Minus 2 into 5 minus 10, 6. Here minus 12, 0. Now, therefore, now we write the equation lesser than. Cube means here we have to start with the m square plus 5m plus 6 is equal to 0. So here we can write m square plus 3m, 2m plus 6 is equal to 0. So m into m plus 3 plus 2, again m plus 3 is equal to 0. So m is equal to minus 3, m is equal to minus 2. Therefore, the roots are, here first root is 3. Here first root is 3. Second root is minus 2. Third root is minus 3. Again minus 2. Thus y is equal to, here minus 2 and minus 2. This comes under case 2. And 3 and minus 3 is case 1. So write e power 3x case 1. C2 e power minus 3x. Again yes. Again here now we write the case 2, that is repeated roots, plus already C1 C2 we have written. We have to start with the C3 plus C4x into e power m value is minus 2. So e power minus 2x. If I think 15th one, if d power 4x divided by dt power 4 is equal to m power 4x, show that x is equal to c1 cos mt plus c2 sin mt plus c3 cos hyperbolic mt plus c4 sin hyperbolic mt. So here we have to write in the differential operator form, that is d power 4. Shift this here, write the equation d power 4x divided by dt power 4 minus m power 4x is equal to 0. This is the equation. So d power 4 minus m power 4. In the place of y they have given x, that is equal to 0. This is the equation conversion. After writing this, we have to write the differential operator, where here we can write where d is equal to d by dt, because with respect to t they have given, so we mention in terms of d by dt. Now auxiliary equation, till now we are substituting d as equal to m, but here they have given the term in terms of m power 4, in terms of m. So if you write d is equal to m, both term will be same. So let us change here. We replace d by some other term. It is p power 4, replacing capital D by p. So p power 4 minus m power 4 is equal to 0. It is in the form a square minus b square. So here we get p square minus m square. Again p square plus m square is equal to 0. So first term p square is equal to m square. Second one p square is equal to minus m square. Root will be here plus or minus m, and here already minus is there. So plus or minus m into I. The roots are plus or minus m, comma plus or minus m into I. So let us write here. This is the third case and this is the case number 1. So here in terms of y they have given x is equal to c1 e power mt plus c2 e power minus mt. This is the case 1. Case 3, that is c3 cos mt plus c4 sin mt. Because here p is not given, that means 0. So e power 0x 0t is 1 only. E power 0 into t means e power 0. The value of e power 0 is 1. So I write c1 e power mt plus c2 e power minus mt plus c3 cos mt plus c4 sin mt. Now call this one as a equation 1. Call this one as a equation 1. Now let us write the RHS side here. RHS side. Here I will write RHS is equal to what they have given. X is equal to C1 cos mt, C2 sin mt plus C3 cos hyperbolic mt plus C4 sin hyperbolic mt. So here as they have given C1 cos mt, here I just change. Here I write C3, here I write C4, here I write C1, here I write C2 to adjust they have given the constant in the RHS side. To adjust like that, I have changed. If they have not given the show that, you can write any1 as a first term. As they have given here, for that sake I have just changed the constant here. So here what we have to do, we have to write C1 cos mt plus C2 sin mt as it is, plus C3 Here cos hyperbolic mt means e power mt plus e power minus mt divided by 2. This is the formula. Next, for sine hyperbolic mt, so e power mt minus e power minus mt divided by 2. Now, C1 cos mt plus C2 sine mt. Here, I just take e power mt as a common. So if I take e power mt as a common, it remains C3. Here it is plus C4 divided by 2. I write as it is plus next e power minus mt means here C3, here minus into plus minus C4 divided by 2. Now denoting or taking C3 dash as a C3 plus C4 divided by 2, C4 dash as C3 minus C4 divided by 2. We get x is equal to C1 cos mt plus C2 sin mt. Again, in the place of C4 plus C3 by 2, we can write C3 dash e power mt plus C4 dash e power minus mt. Therefore, equation 1 is equal to equation 2. Equation 1 is equal to equation 2, where you can write C3 dash and C4 dash are constants. We can write C3 dash comma C4 dash are arbitrary constant. Yes. Y double dash plus 4y dash plus 4y is equal to 0. Here they have given the values y is equal to 0, y dash is equal to minus 1, both at x is equal to 1. At x is equal to 1. Now, what we have to do? First, we have to start writing in terms of differential operator. That is d square plus 4d plus 4 whole into y is equal to 0. Here we can write where capital D, that is equal to d by dx. Now, auxiliary equation is here m square plus 4m plus 4 is equal to 0. Now, yes. Now, here what we have to do, m plus 2 whole square means m plus 2 is equal to 0. Again m plus 2 is equal to 0. So m is equal to minus 2 and again m is equal to minus 2. So what is the this 2 means here we can write the roots are minus 2 comma minus 2. So it comes under case 2. Good. C1 plus C2x into C1 plus C2x into e power minus 2x. So let us call this one as a equation 1. Now, here in the question they have given y dash is equal to minus 1. That means we have to find the y dash. So y with respect to x means here y dash. Here we have to apply the product rule. First I will write C1 plus C2x as it is. Differentiation of this e power minus 2x means minus 2 into e power minus 2x plus e power minus 2x I will write as it is. E power minus 2x I will write as it is. Differentiation of c2x means c2. So this I can call this one as a equation 2. Now consider first point y is equal to 0 at x is equal to 1. So we get y means in the equation 1. Put y is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. Y is equal to 0 in the equation 1. C1 x value is 1. C2 e power 0. Sorry, e power, what will you get?
minus 2.
E power minus 2. So here what we have to do? 0 C1 plus C2. This e power minus 2 I can write as a denominator e square. When you cross multiply, we get 0 is equal to C1 plus C2. This is for the y is equal to 0 at x is equal to 1. Next, y dash is equal to minus 1 at x is equal to 1. So this we have to substitute in the equation 2. So equation 2 becomes here minus 1 again C1 plus C2 e power minus 2 into minus 2. Minus 2 into e power minus 2 plus e power minus 2 into C2. So see here I will write minus 1 is equal to, here we have C1 plus C2. C1 plus C2 is 0. 0 into minus 2 e power minus 2. This completely it will become 0 plus e power minus 2 into C2. So minus 1 is equal to C2 divided by e power minus 2. That implies C2 is equal to, here it will become plus, C2 is equal to minus e square. Minus e square. If C2 is equal to minus e square, we substitute here. In this one, we substitute here. So what we get, here only I write, C1 plus C2 is equal to 0. C1 is equal to minus C2. So minus of minus plus e square. C1 value is plus e square because minus is there. C2 value is e power minus e square. Minus e square. So minus into minus plus we get plus e square. Now substituting these two values, I write here substituting in equation 1. So y is equal to C1 is e square, C2 is minus e square x again e power minus 2x, e power minus 2x. So if I take e square as a common, 1 minus x into e power minus 2x. 1 minus x into e power 2x.